How's it going, guys? It's June 6, 2020. Nice hot day. I've been painting my house this last week. In the last 5 days, I've painted the two sides and the front. And I'm getting ready to paint the back here too. But I got thinking about something. I thought you guys might be interested if you don't have a power washer. And I've used a power washer before on this and other different ways I've done it too. But I thought I'd show you a cheap way if you scrape what you can do to wash the side of your house off before you paint it, and it'll get all the loose debris off. Hold on. Only thing you need is a bottle of apple cider vinegar. It's got the acid base and it's about 5%. You take this and you put about half of it in a bucket, about 3/4 full of water. What this will do, this will loosen all the grime and dirt on the house, even on the bare shingles. And what you also will need, you'll need a car brush. Basically, some call them a tire brush, some use them on the bodies of the car. This is fairly semi-soft. And what we're going to do, we're going to start at the top. And we're just going to scrub it down. All we're going to do, already the dirt's starting to drop off of it. All you're going to have to do. Make sure you get the gutter too. And all this. I'm going to show you a small section here right now, guys. You can see this. But this really works good. Gets all anything loose off. And the only thing you gotta do is let it set for a couple minutes even. But make sure it's dry. Don't wet it down first. Make sure that when you do this, you're putting it from the bucket on the shelf itself. Then what we're going to do, we'll need to have garden hose and a spray head. Now what I like about this is it's got the jet on it. Of course, people use a jet. Jet's fine at the end, but the flat is a good one. It's almost like when the final rinse in a car wash. That will also loosen any of the debris or anything on there. So, I got it on flat right now. Now I get underneath those shingles. Now reverse jet. And you'll let this dry for how long? It usually takes about an hour to 2 hours max. And then you can just go ahead and start the paint afterwards. I'll show you what the finished product is too, guys. Hold on here. I'll show you what I've done. And you can see how clean that looks now too. I want you guys to see that. Didn't take much. I'm gonna take you around to the other side here. I put 2 coats of paint on this. And this is the finished product. Like you see my underhang here too, where I did it. And then we got a chemtrail plane up there dropping heavy. And let me get to the other side here. And it really does good. It only take you about less than a week. You got a small house. I mean, this is basically a 2-bedroom upstairs. It's got a full basement with another bathroom downstairs. It's about 55 feet, 25 feet on the sides here, 55 feet in length. So just wanted you guys to see this, and if anybody's needing to get out and paint, this is a good time to do it too. Have a good one.